Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Shrizzed for Gaming channel. I'm Chris Schreiner, and today I'm going to show you how to use a green screen in your OBS live stream. So a couple things you're going to need before doing this to make sure it works out okay for you. You're going to need some decent lighting, and you're going to need some single color sheets or green screen ordered off Amazon, something that's a solid color behind you. All I did was go down to my local fabric store and bought a green sheet and cut it up into pieces. I got one on the wall, I got one draped over my recliner right here. And once you have that all in place, your lighting on, and your solid color background, you can go into OBS, just pull in your video capture device for your webcam. See that up in the corner here, and then you're just going to right click it, go to filters, pull this over so you can see a little better, and then you'll hit the little plus icon. This has all kinds of different filters you can add to your video or audio to make it better, improve it, or change it. So we're looking for chroma key, which will be our adjustments on green screen. Hit done, and now it's going to bring up everything here. It'll default to green. You can go with any color as long as it's a solid color for your background. They got blue, magenta presets in here. There's also a custom one, so if you want yellow or something, you can do that as well. But I did want to mention in the regular OBS, if you go to custom, there's a color dropper, so it's a little better when trying to dial in a green screen within the regular OBS Studio. I'm using StreamLabs OBS for, in my opinion, better alerts and stuff, but to each their own. So if we turn this off and you were in the regular OBS, you could go into custom, click the color icon, and then there's a pick screen color button that you can choose, and you could just go over here and click in the green and then adjust from that point, so you have a better starting point other than just green. So we'll go back to here, and then I'll show you what my steps on getting this dialed in a little better is. So this is your show and hide for your chroma key. We want to turn that back on to see how well we're doing. And the better your lighting, the easier it's going to be to dial in. I'm going to stretch this so that I can see how good or shitty it is off the bat. Right now you see a lot of noise back here. My webcam quality is really bad, especially when it's stretched like this, but this is going to help us kind of get this dialed in over here. The first thing I usually do is take this key color spill reduction and take it all the way down. And then from here, smoothness, I find the 20 to 50 range pretty good. Let's go down to like 40, see how that works. And then we'll go up to similarity and start adjusting that. So already you can see left makes it pretty green, and then to the right it starts going away. We'll go a little more. You can still see a little bit of green around the shoulders. We're at 435. Let's go about there. We're at 463, 40, and 1 for our setting. And then now I'm going to just unstretch or unscale, whichever, my webcam. And as you can see, now that we're back to a decent size, excuse me, the quality comes back quite a bit. So yeah, that's how you add a chroma key to your webcam in order to utilize a green screen. You can see a little clipping right here from my uncovered wall. That's obviously not green, so that's going to show up, and we can just hold Alt as long as our video capture device is unlocked. This is a little bonus for you, I guess. Hold the Alt button, and then you can adjust this to bring it in some and get rid of that excess. And we can lock it so that we don't accidentally drag this webcam anymore. That's your tutorial on how to add a green screen for your live stream. If you want to see any more OBS tutorials, PS4 tutorials, anything you can think of, I can figure it out, or I've maybe already done it and get a tutorial on that for you. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments below. And if you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to see more content from the channel, hit the subscribe button. I only got like 20 some subscribers. I'm trying to help people out here. We'll see you next time.